Guys, I've done it. I've done it today. I think I've pulled a tooth out by mistake. Hey guys, as you all know, on this channel it's all about the good, the bad and the teeth. The worst nightmare any dental hygienist would have is a tooth coming out. Guys, I've done it. I've done it today. I think I've pulled a tooth out by mistake. This freaked me out anyway. When I was starting the treatment, I thought this is it. This tooth is coming out and the patient is going to be really cross with me for pulling a tooth out. We all come to the dental practice hoping to have your teeth cleaned, hoping to have your teeth looked after. The last thing you need is a tooth coming out. And let me reassure you guys, we never aim to take teeth out. And I find that a lot of people come in thinking we're going to take their teeth out or we're going to go too hard on their teeth and they're all going to fall out. Right. This patient had a wobbly tooth. This tooth, as you can see, is literally a grade 3 mobile, we call it. It wants to come out. But guys, when I tell you, after doing the cleaning, after getting rid of the plaque, the tooth was still stuck in there. The tooth was still in the gums. It was still in the gums. It's unbelievable how much the bone holds the teeth in place, guys. I can't explain it enough. Our bones are really good. Pulling a tooth out is not that easy. If a tooth comes out, you're going to blame me for it. You're going to ask me questions. So the last thing I want to do is take your tooth out. Okay? Ultimately, we've got to do what we need to do. We've got to clean your teeth. We've got to get in those gums and get rid of the plaque. So don't be scared when you go to the dentist that we're going to pull your teeth out. I promise you we'd never aim for that. Our worst nightmare is pulling a tooth out by mistake or letting a tooth fall out. We always try to save teeth. We don't aim to take teeth out. So stop going to the dentist and worrying that we're going to pull your teeth out. Look how clean it looks after I cleaned it. Guys, what are you going to say now? That I was going to pull the tooth out? No, I did not. Look after them, brush twice a day, and don't you worry that we're going to pull your teeth out, because we're not. We're going to look after them and make you feel better. Have a lovely day.